So, good morning to one and all. Now, I want to start maths class for the 10th standard. So, you already studied in 9th standard some information about that set. What is the meaning of set? How the sets are used? And what are the different types of sets, and also various kinds of sets. For example, empty set, cardinal number, equivalent set, not equivalent set, or some single tone set, like that. Few minutes I recall what we have studied in earlier session. So, first you have to know about the set as I informed earlier. What is the meaning of set? Set is a collection of well defined object. Set is a collection of well defined object. For example, if you are giving the set of vowels, already we studied in last year. So, A equal to A, E, I, O, U. Okay, this is one of the set examples how we can represent a set within a set bracket. A represent a set, A set, and A, E, I, O, U represents the elements present in the set. Suppose the question is asked, what is the cardinal number of this set? So, this also we studied in last year. 5. We have to count the number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, all the 5 elements we are giving within set bracket, that's why we call it as a set. So, it is a well defined object, that's why we call it as a set is a well defined object. One more example I give. Suppose if you are giving set of fruits. So, for example, apple, mango, grapes. So, another examples for the set, it represents B set. 3 fruits I have given, but the conclusion is given as set of fruits. The cardinal number is 3 because there is 3 elements present in that within the set bracket. Suppose I am giving here another example. Here there is no element present in the set. So, that is why it is called as a empty set. So, these and all non-empty set, and this one is called as a empty set. We can also represent this as symbol called as pi. And some more informations. Equivalent set, when the two sets are equal, it is called as a equal set. When number of elements are equal, then it is called as a equivalent set. When a set consists only one element, then it is called as a single tone set. For example, D. So, D equal to 2. So, this is called as a single tone set because it consists only one elements. ஒரு எலிமெண்ட் இருந்தா அதுக்கு பேரு சிங்கிள் டோன் செட். எலிமெண்ட் எதுவுமே இல்லை அப்படின்னு சொன்னா அதுக்கு பேரு எம்டி செட் because there is no element present in that. So, we can also represent that particular set in the way of one of the symbol called as pi. So, these are all the informations we studied in last year. So, to recall this, some more additional information, the new chapter is started in the 10th standard maths is nothing but relation and function. Shall we start now the portions which is present on the new syllabus. So, these are all the function what we studied last year. You have to recall what is set, what is the cardinal number of set, what is empty set, and what are the number, how we have to write in the set, that and all. Now, chapter number 1. relation and function. Relation and function. So this is the first chapter which is present on a textbook. If you take a textbook, we can see that the first chapter will be relations and function. The name itself we can identify. Relation, what is the meaning of relation? Okay, this person is related to another person means how we can identify this boy is the brother of them, this girl is the sister of them. Like that we can tell in the way of relation. இவங்களுக்கு அவங்க வந்து எந்த முறையில் வந்து உறவு வராங்க அப்படின்றத கொடுக்கக்கூடிய கான்செப்ட் இங்கிலீஷில் சொல்லுவாங்க ரிலேஷன். அதே மாதிரி தான் இங்கே வந்து we can give certain way how the functions are related. Functions based on the set how we can carry out the function. செயல். ஓகே, ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஒரு மிஷின் வந்து இயங்குது அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் நம்ம இங்கிலீஷில் என்ன கேட்போம், how the machine will be function. ஒர்க்கிங்க்கு பதிலாக ஒரு மாடிஃபைட் வேர்டு வந்து ஃபங்க்ஷன் அப்படின்னு நம்ம பயன்படுத்துறோம். இந்த சேம் வே how the data should be make as a function. A is related to B. So A is related to B means what is A and B? B is the brother of A. B is the brother of A. Suppose M is the relative of N. N வந்து M க்கு எந்த வகையில் ரிலேட்டிவ்? Suppose N is the husband, M is a wife means we can tell like that. Okay, N husband means husband M ஓட wife. N ஓட wife யாரு? M. இவங்க Mன்றவங்க N வந்து husband. So like that we can tell some relation in certain things. How we can make in the way of sets as I informed in the first. Okay, செட்டில் வந்து எப்படி வந்து நம்ம அதை பேர் பண்ணுறது, that is one of the concept called as ordered pair. Ordered pair. How we can make a ordered pairs? Suppose when you going to any function, there are number of persons who want to sit in certain areas. இப்போ தியேட்டருக்கு நம்ம போகிறோம், இல்லை ஆடிட்டோரியத்துக்கு நம்ம போகிறோம். ஸோ அங்கே போகும்போது நமக்குன்னு ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட இடம் ஒதுக்கி இருப்பாங்க. Okay, that area where you have to sit, where you have to sit. Suppose 4th row, 5th, 4th rowல 5வது personல நம்ம உட்காரணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் we can write that 4 row, that is 4th rowல 5th place. 4th rowல 5th place. This is called as ordered pair and combinedly we call as a coordinates. Okay, already we studied in some chapters in the last day itself, that is called as parenthesis bracket. இதுக்கு பேர் வந்து parenthesis bracket. Earlier what I use is called as a set bracket. Okay, which is represented as a set, and this is called as a coordinate. X axis, y axis. முதல்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய எலிமெண்ட் ரெண்டாவதுல இருக்கக்கூடிய எலிமெண்ட்டுக்கு என்ன ரிலேட்டிவ், 4வது ரோல 5வது பிளேஸில் அவர் போய் உட்காரணும். புரியுதா? அடுத்தவங்க உட்காரணும் 4வது ரோவில் 7வது பிளேஸில் அவங்க போயிட்டு அந்த ஆடிட்டோரியத்துலேயோ இல்லை தியேட்டர்லேயோ வந்து அவங்க என்ன பண்ணணும், உட்காரணும். ஓகே, 4th row, here there is 5th seat, here there is the 7th seat. So these are all called as the ordered pairs. When number of sets is given, we can make it as a ordered pairs in relative. I give one example how we have to make a ordered pairs for certain thing. First, A equal to A comma B and B equal to B comma C. How we can make that ordered pairs like this? Okay, so first suppose if you are producing that A cross B, A cross B, this is called as a Cartesian product. A cross A cross B as well as B cross A. We can write like this in any order depending upon the question what they are gave. Questionல என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அதுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி நம்ம இந்த டேட்டாஸை ஆர் இந்த கொஸ்டினை வச்சு நம்ம அதை பயன்படுத்தணும். Or simple example I am giving that A cross B based on this question. It is not in the textbook, generally I am giving that. How we can write that from this A cross B? So put the set bracket here. A with B, A with C first you have to make. Okay, first row B, first row C. So like that you have to make A comma B, then A comma C. First row B, first row C. Next, take out the second B comma B, then B comma C. So B comma B, B comma C. So this is the way we can explain the Cartesian product. Cartesian product based on the questions given. According to this question, I given that A cross B. A with the two elements, B with the two elements. So how many elements will be present there? Okay, according to this two element. So totally 4 elements. So here when you make a product 2 into 2, you will get 4. That situation will be arise here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 elements according to this, but each will consist as a one element. இது ரெண்டுமே சேர்ந்து தான் ஒரு element. இங்க மாதிரி கிடையாது, தனித்தனியா கிடையாது. A comma B, because 2 element here, here there is 2 element, but here this is called as one element. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose the question is asked in your textbook, in further it will come n of A cross B அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்னா இதுல வந்து எத்தனை எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு அப்படினு கண்டுபிடிக்க எக்ஸர்சைஸ்ல வரும் இந்த மாதிரி क्वेश्चंसலாம். Okay, so like that if you have to follow the textbook you will get like this. How many elements present here? I have founded A cross B, then only we can possible to answer that question. If I not founded this, you will not able to answer for that. Okay, we can answer what that possible n of A, n of B. This is possible to answer. How many elements in A set? How many elements in B set? So there are 2 elements in A set. There are 2 elements in B set. But if the question is asked, we cannot able to simply tell within this. So you have to calculate this. Then you have to find out n A cross B. Now you count 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of elements is 4. Here in A set number of elements is 2. Number of elements is 2. So this is the way we have to represent a cardinal number for certain question, how they are asked. Suppose the same data, the question is asked A cross A. Instead of A cross B, suppose the question is asked A cross A. You should take only A. You should not take B, because the question is asked A Cartesian product of A. So how we can write that? A first, that is instead of A. Again instead of A you have to write one more times the same thing. One more times the same thing. A comma B, because this is the A. A comma B, because that is also A. If B is returned, then only you have to write that B set. Suppose the question is asked B cross A. B cross, in the same way they will question, they will ask in different formats. B cross A means B should be written first. What is that? B comma C cross A comma B. B should be written first and A should be written second, because the format of the question is given like that. B cross A. Whatever you find, they will get that same, because number of elements will be same, but the answer will be different. See how the answer will be different for all the things. For this A cross A. A cross A, what will we get? A comma A. First element in first set, first element in second set. So A comma A. First element in first set, then second element in second set. A comma B. Now first element like this. First element with first, first element with second. Can you understand now? Because for this I indicated like this. No need to put this arrow, for only to clearly understand I put there. Don't put for all the sums like this. Okay, next B with A and B with B. So B comma B, that is B comma A, then B comma B. So this is the answer for the A cross A. Then for this third, B cross A. So take out the first element and pair with these two things. Take out the second element and make the pair with this. So what are the answers we will get for this? First take out B, B with A and B comma B. So B comma A and B comma B. B comma A and B comma B. Next C comma A and C comma B. So this is the way. See, the answers all are different, but even we are using what? Only A's and B's, but different format, position we are changing. A cross B, A cross A, B cross A. But if you find the cardinal number like this for all, you will get 4 elements. Here also 4, here also 4, and here also 4. Number of, because here there is 2, here there is 2. Suppose one more addition is taken. One more additional terms is taken. Here there is E. Suppose they are taken. Here there is as a E. That is C set. C set equal to E, F, G. If you take like this, the question is asked to find A cross C. Means you should omit this. இதை எடுத்துக்கூடாது. ஏவையும் சியையும் இதே மாதிரி போட்டுட்டு ரெண்டுத்தையும் போட்டுட்டு ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணணும். அப்போ அதில் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் எப்படி வரும்? நம்பர் ஆஃப் எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் இதை வச்சே கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். 2, here there is 2, here there is 3, here there is 2, here there is C. A cross C means 2 into 3, totally 6 elements will produce, not like this. Totally 6 elements will be produced, because here there is 2, here there is 3, here there is 2, here there is 3. When you make a cross, you will get like that. So next division is called as here, already I told about the Cartesian product. So this is the definition of the Cartesian product. Based on this only we can possible to solve certain sums. First you have to understand the concept of the definition. So what is the meaning of Cartesian product? I already told that A cross B, A cross A, in the same way. So the definition I have given, if A and B are two non-empty set. Non-empty set means it should not possible to give an empty set. There is some element which is present on the set. Empty set na element illama irukkiradhukku per da empty set. Ana and empty set vechittu Cartesian product vandu kandupidikka mudiyadhu. So that's why they are represent non-empty sets. Then the set of all ordered pairs A comma B such that where A belongs, this is called as a belongs. This symbol is called as a belongs. This also we studied in the last year. A belongs to A set, B belongs to B set is called the Cartesian product of A and B. And how it is denoted? இதை எப்படி வந்து நம்ம வடிவத்தில் கொண்டு வருது? So and is denoted by A cross B. Sometimes they will ask in 2 mark. Define Cartesian product. Define Cartesian product. Or what is Cartesian product? They asked in question means you have to write this definition. This with, if you need means we can also give some examples. Otherwise if you not possible you can leave as it is if you not know the examples. If you give the examples, it will be better clear for them. Okay, but you will get 2 marks when you write this. But if you give example, he can know how you are understand better. For that situation, we can give the example. Suppose if you not possible to give the examples correctly means leave it. No problem, you will get full mark for this. தெரிஞ்சா உதாரணத்தை கொடு, அதாவது எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் ஓட விளக்கமா கொடு, அப்படி இல்லைன்னா வேண்டாம் விட்டுரு. இதை மட்டும் எழுதுனா போதும். How we can write the examples? So as so many sums. Example, A equal to 1, 2, 3. B equal to 4. Like that if you are giving. This is called as non-empty set. In A set, 3 elements are there. In B set, 1 elements are there. Now if you find A cross B for this. So A cross B for this. How we can produce 1, 2, 3. This is A, whereas this one is B. Now we have to find out the answer for this. What is A cross B? Already I told that when you multiply, what the answer will get, that is the number of elements. Here there is 3, 3 into 1, 3 elements only is possible to get. Now 1, 4, 2, 4. Then 3, 4. So this is the way we have to produce with examples. So any doubt based on this? We can give any whatever you like, A set and B set or D set, that will be your wish. But do it as a properly how we are getting the answers. 3 into 1. Suppose here there is 3 element, here there is 2 elements, 3 2s are 6. 6 pair will come in that Cartesian products. So if you understand only, we move on to certain sums. So clearly once again I repeat, see that if A and B are two non-empty set. So this is example. It is called as a non-empty set. Then all the ordered pairs A, B, all the pair இதில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒவ்வொரு எலிமெண்ட்டும் பேரா எழுதணும். பேரா எழுதும்போது தான் உனக்கு எத்தனைன்னு சொல்லிட்டு வரும். ஸோ A வந்து A set belongs to. This symbol is called as belong symbol. This symbol is called as B is belongs to B, A is belongs to A. So is called as the Cartesian product of A and B and is denoted by A cross B. Okay.